Hello everyone, thanks for joining me again. I have 5 cards, 1 kit using the Simon Says Stamp April card kit of the month. For the first card, I've already done parts of it to save time on the video. This is the stamp set here, and I used this long border stamp and I stamped it out in spun sugar distress oxide ink. I really liked the effect I got. I was using a stamping platform, but there's parts, as you can see here as I bring it close, that are not as solid, the ink, and it kind of has a distressed look. So I liked that. And then these are the card cut-aparts that came in the paper pad. It was sad to use the polka dot one. I really liked both sides, but because there's another paper that has a larger image with the same image, I was okay with using it. But I really liked the pink with the white polka dot on this card. So I'm offsetting these 2 cards, and then I'm taking this sticker set here with the With Gratitude, and I've taken a piece of white cardstock, measurements on the screen there for you, and popped it up on foam tape, and I'm going to place the sticker centered on that piece of cardstock. And then that is going to go in the bottom portion of the card. And that will finish off card number 1. Simple, easy, and it is on the cream card base that comes in the kit. You get 3 in the kit. So that's card number 1. On to card number 2. I've done quite a bit of stamping already with my stamp platform again. I used the Thinking of You, Hey Love, Hello, Sweet, Thankful for You, and as well as Love You, Just Wanted to Let You Know You're in My Thoughts and Prayers, and a couple other ones. And I kind of tried to just randomly stamp them. I had cut out, or die cut out, a piece of masking paper in this rectangle here with the measurements on the screen there. And I am showing you how I had it placed down on the card and just stamped over that so that I would have that open area. You probably could just cover it up too. I don't know. I just did it that way. So here's the paper that says You Are Enough. And then I've taken the stickers again. Oh, and I'm showing you it's up on foam. I just have like adhesive craft foam that I put it on. So the butterfly comes from the sticker set, but I didn't want the white edges, and I didn't think I could really fussy cut it well enough. So I took the antique linen distressed oxide and this domed blender thing here. Sorry about that. And yeah, I just got rid of the white with that. And then the ink that I used on the card is the Peel to Paint oxide, if you're interested. So take the adhesive off that, put it down, and that is it for card number 2. I like how that turned out. It looks very nice. And so for card number 3, again, I'm using the final cream card base that comes in the kit and this patterned paper with the butterflies here. And I don't know if I put the dimensions. I'll have to list the dimensions of that piece in the video description because it looks like I might have forgotten to write that down there. But then I have the dimensions of this little panel. This is card cut apart, but I have made it a little smaller there, and I lost some footage. I'm really sorry about that, but I put my ribbon down, and then I used this Wink of Stella clear glitter on there. And again, the panel is on the foam, the fun foam, craft foam. So, and that's it for card number 3. Card number 4, I used this Ink on 3 ink that I have, and it might have had, the stamp might have still had a little bit of black from previous stamping, but I wanted a subtle look, and that's what I was going for. And then I stamped it out on masking paper and cut the 2 main focal flowers out, and just laid this masking paper down, and then stamped those 2 flowers several times in the spun sugar distressed oxide ink. There I was showing you the platform. That really came in handy for this card, using my stamp platform. So I've already done that on this card, and this is just a card base I made using white cardstock top folding. Then I've stamped out the thank you so very much in like sticky ink and embossed it with the cream embossing powder that comes in the kit. Then we're going to use the pattern paper. This one has gingham on one side, and I've torn a panel, and I've given you the measurements there on the screen, and placing that down on just the left side there to finish off card number 4. I love the real light look this has, and that's kind of what I was going for, so I think it worked out pretty well. For card number 5, again, I've got a top fold card base that I just made out of white cardstock. And I have cut a panel of white cardstock that is alcohol marker friendly and done a whole lot of coloring off screen. And there's my little, if you wanted to pause it to see my colors, I chose my random assortment. This is a piece of the pattern paper. I'm using the pale pink side and gonna glue that down to my little card base, and I'm gonna place my alcohol marker colored floral image in the center there. And so this, I also used the stamp platform to stamp that down, and just, you know, it went off the edges there so that it's kind of a partial image. The floral stamp is great for that. You can really use it in a lot of different ways. I'm going to take this Friend kind of script stamp and prep my paper with that that powder, anti-static powder. Again, there's my little stamping platform that I'm using with the, I think I'm using some, what is that, Nouveau embossing ink there. And I just folded the paper that comes with the kit in half to help me to collect my embossing powder. And that's that cream powder that comes in the kit. And I went ahead and embossed it there, and I've got it coming onto my other cardstock a little bit, and that was it for card number 5. So I'll have some still shots here at the end for you to see. I hope you enjoyed seeing these cards. I had a lot of fun. I could probably do some more. If you're really interested in that, let me know. Otherwise, I got a lot going, and so I might move on to the next thing and come back to this kit later. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye!